Hi, today we'll be discussing if English medium schools are producing an elitist class of students who are out of touch of the reality of India. We'll be discussing why is such a thing happening and how can it be tackled. So here.
I don't really think that English medium schools produce such elite students who are out of touch with the reality of India, because we indulge in social service activities for the poor and for the needful only when we are educated from an English medium school. I mean, if we're not an educated person, then how will we even go for social service and help others?
Well, they say that these English medium schools are producing the elitist class who are out of reach of this reality of this country. Well, I believe that it's actually false, because for this country to prosper and for this country to, try and become one of the developed countries, it's very important that we give English its importance, because English, let's face it, is important.
Actually, I don't have anything against any language, but the thing is that the English medium schools are creating such kind of people, such kind of students. They have one kind of feeling that we are above other people, we are above the people who speak Hindi or other languages, and that shouldn't happen. But that's happening, and that's, I don't know, some kind of, it's kind of embedded in them that they are superior to other people, and that's something very wrong, and that leads them to that leads them away from the reality of India.
English medium schools don't create an elite society. Schools which alienate people from their mother tongue, I think so they are the ones who create this elite society, which is pretty bad, and they might be away from reality. But not all English school people, like we are from English medium school, we believe in service. In fact, this Town Square conference, we are promoting service. So I don't think so we are away from the reality.
I think that it does not matter which education you've received, whether it's English medium or it's Hindi medium. It's your values, it's your ethos, your culture that matter the most.
Today's generation, we need to know the English, because English has been is a language which communicates between the two communities and the relation between among other nations. And in presently, somewhere I've heard that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to make English compulsory to the country so people can communicate. And it's good we have English, because through English, there's so many educated people who could work for the poor people. They are introducing the social service in our country.
English medium produces an elitist class of people, and I totally agree with it. This has not started right now. It has been there since the Britishers have come to India. They were the ones who created the difference between between English speaking people and like English speaking people were the ones who were elitist. They introduced English medium education. There were two kind of schools in India: English medium schools and vernacular schools. All the higher class people, that is the Rajas, the Thakurs of that time, were given English medium education, and all the lower class people were given the vernacular medium education. And it is from then that difference has been created, and is still there.
In schools like Mayo, we are kept in touch with traditions, old traditions, and we do social service from a young age. It's a universal language. To communicate with other countries, other nations, English is something really important, and it's widely known to people.
They say that these English medium schools are making the elitist class of India. Well, I disagree. Because just by learning, by getting educated in a certain language does not make you out of reach of the reality. I mean, yes, we are Indians and we know what's happening out there. It's not that we do not know what's going on out there. Yes, to some extent, we sometimes do not realize what is the real capacity or to the thing that's going on out there. But yes, we do know like those things. Also, many times we've heard that these these people who study in English schools and wear Western clothes and are all Westernized, or those who live in cities and those who don't prefer to have, Indian food and stuff, those who like to have Westernized food and all that, those are not Indian enough. But isn't that the essence of the 1991 reforms? I mean, why did we even introduce liberalization, privatization, and globalization? The very essence of the 1991 reforms were to get globalized, were to get in sync with the outside world. Because after 1947, we felt, our ministers and our country felt, that we were left back, we were left behind. And to reach back to them, we had to adopt those things. And if adopting those things and trying to make this country better is called so-called elitist class and not being in sync with the actual reality, then I think it's absolutely false, and that's just a quote used by politicians for their political gain. I mean, that's baseless.
I would like to include a new term into our discussion, which is globalization. Elitist class is not segregating the the Hindi medium people or the government school people. It's a step towards globalization. What I think is that all these English medium schools, they are educating the children in English. They're teaching them the Western ways so that they can mix up with the people of other world, and they can form the structure of globalization into our Indian economy. That is what the English medium schools are doing. So we cannot blame the English medium schools for creating an elitist class who are segregating the lower classes and the Hindi medium people. We are actually creating the structure for globalization.
In school, we talk in English and Hindi both. When we get back to home, my parents talk in Hindi, I talk to them in Marwari. That doesn't mean I'm ignoring English that time or I'm ignoring Hindi at school. English and Hindi both and our common regional languages are important, and we do talk in them. We don't ignore any language in that matter. English was, even in the British time, known as the lingua franca, which is the language of the masses. Because English is a common language between all the countries, apart from their regional languages and their languages with which they talk in. It makes us aware of their problems. It creates a bond between nations, between people. English is a method, a mode of communication. Even on Google, you have Google Translate to translate the other languages into Marathi, Chinese, or whatever it is. But English still remains the base language, and it is the most important language. In Mayo, we learn Mayo, which is an elite school. We learn English, but that doesn't mean we are not in support of Hindi, because we do have Hindi as a subject too. We continue speaking in all the languages. English just adds a better base to our entire flow of talking.
I totally agree with what Kanupriya said right now, that English is helping us mix with the Western culture. But what we need to do is not alienate ourselves from our own culture, from our own mother tongue.
So here we have talked about internationalism and globalization, and how English has helped promote this. So tell me one thing, if you consider yourself to be someone who has spoken English as your first language and are part of a global society, why would you go back to a smaller community which you belong to and tend to them? Why you wouldn't do that, right? So that is why English medium schools are creating an elitist class that do not identify themselves as much as the others to what they previously belonged to, and that is where the problem is created. We are not ignoring them intentionally. We are just ignorant to the fact that yes, there is a community that exists, and that is just because of the fact that we do not want to identify ourselves with the community from which we belonged previously, because there's a larger community for us to which we belong and we are benefiting from it. So that is where this elitist class is ignorant to the rest of the society.
English medium schools are not creating any elite class. English is just a medium of, it's just a language it's just a medium through which you can convey knowledge. It depends on if you want to feel elite or not. So it is on one's thinking that if I can speak English, I am elite. It's not the school which is making you. It is just school just wants to provide knowledge. They have chosen English because globally English can be understood by many people. That's the reason.
Today in our country, our culture has been changed so much just because English was there. As Britishers left India, our culture was changed into like there were Indian toilets. Indian toilets have been converted into Western toilets. The technologies, the economic growth have all introduced from other countries, and it's actually very good that English plays a major role in ours because it's not a planning of a community, but it's a communication between all of us.